Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to share access in Google Drive. So first of all, upload the desired file you want to share. Now click on the file. For example, I'm clicking on this one and click on these three dots on right side. Click on this and click on share right over here. Now you can share this file via email by writing the email over here. For example, I'm writing this one. Select the email and write whatever the message you want. Change access from here and click on send. Now the second method is go over here and change this to anyone with the link. Change access from here, click on copy link and click on done. Now you are set to go. You can send this link anywhere in the world and the person will be able to see your file. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.